back to the channel, guys. It's Alejandro here. Today we have some of the top AI tools that you should be using on your daily routine. Before we get into the video, guys, I want to tell you guys one quote. I'm gonna start doing this where I tell you guys one quote every single video. This is a summer stash that I'm gonna be reading. We have Think Grow Rich, we have Unlimited Power, we have The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, and then we have The 48 Laws of Power. Books which I have already read, but this summer is a summer of growth. So we're gonna go ahead and reread them and analyze them. Now, the quote from today is from a book that I recently read. It's called As a Man Thinketh, was written in 1903 by James Allen. The quote of the book says, "A man is literally what he thinks about, his character being the complete sum of all his thoughts." Again, by James Allen. That is the quote of the day, guys. We're gonna get right back into the video. Remember, what you think about is what you become. Jumping right back into the video, guys. Today we have a tool called Glasp. Well, let's ask ChatGPT for a quick summary. Boom. Glasp is a social web highlighter that allows users to highlight and organize quotes and ideas from the web while connecting with like-minded individuals. Its mission is to democratize access to collective knowledge and provide easy access to highlighted information. Now, what do they mean by that? First of all, let's give a quick example of how I use Glasp. Let's say I want to get information from this website, right? But I'm still searching the website. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use Glasp. I am going to highlight this area and I'm gonna put it on the color blue, right? And I'm gonna download this other one right here because it's a different subject, and I'm gonna highlight it and I'm gonna assign it a yellow. Now, where am I gonna be able to find this? Right over here. We click on the Google Chrome extension for Glasp, and we can see that my blue highlighted notes are on a different box than my yellow highlighted notes. This is important because we can organize in different categories what we're looking for on the website. It's a very, very useful tool if you are looking for a lot of information on the internet. If I go to my profile on the Glasp website, glasp.co, by the way, this is not a sponsored video by Glasp. I just really, truly love this tool and the tools that I'm gonna tell you guys about. If I go to my profile on Glasp, I can see my highlighted notes. Now, this is crucial. This is not even the best thing about Glasp. Let's go to YouTube really quickly. Let's go to home, just a random video that pops up on from Hell's Kitchen. Perfect. Shout out to Gordon Ramsay. Glasp also has a YouTube extension where if you click this arrow right over here, it instantly in less than seconds summarizes the entire, transcribes the entire video. Now you can click this ChatGPT button and then from the transcript, it summarizes the entire video for you. This is an incredible tool, guys. This is extremely useful. You gotta get creative with Glasp. Use it so that you can unlock your full potential. Guys, this is an amazing tool, and that was Glasp. We're gonna go ahead and move on to our next tool. Our next tool is very useful if you're using ChatGPT on a daily basis, especially if you are sharing information within ChatGPT to other people. Things like prompts, things like the entire conversation, right? This tool is called Fancy GPT. This is the important part about Fancy GPT that I want you guys to know. Fancy GPT also supports saving content as PDF, making it easy to share. Let's go quickly to ChatGPT and I'm gonna show you guys an example on how you can use Fancy GPT. Let's go to my chat Fitness GPT. And I want this whole conversation. Why? Because I might be able to send this conversation to somebody else so that they can learn from this conversation. Let's say you are a prompt expert, you are becoming a prompt expert, or you have a team of people who are working together on the perfect prompt or on the perfect project, and you guys are using ChatGPT to create this project? Well, Fancy GPT is an extremely useful tool because of the fact that it allows you to save your ChatGPT conversations as a PDF. This tool allows you to save your ChatGPT conversations as a PDF file. I'll go to Fitness GPT and let's say I just created a perfect diet plan for somebody. And I want to just go ahead and share the entire conversation so that they know how I talk to ChatGPT to create this diet plan for them. We click right over here on Fancy GPT, make your ChatGPT fancy, boom. Just like that, I have my entire conversation with ChatGPT as a PDF file that I can save, right? Save, boom, right onto my computer. I'm gonna put Fitness GPT for I'm gonna put my client, my client, right? I saved that. Perfect. Now I have my entire conversation with ChatGPT as a PDF that I can send to my client, and they can see exactly what I said to ChatGPT to create the perfect plan for them, whether it's fitness, a diet, an actual business plan. This is extremely powerful, Fancy GPT. Our next tool is actually a tool that's still in beta. It's still in the making, but it is an incredible tool. I have to show you guys this. Check it out. It allows you to create high quality images with just a quick prompt. I mean, this is amazing, guys. Adobe Firefly. Request access and join the waitlist. AI is all about getting creative and understanding the basic power of it and allowing it to expand itself in ways that humanly you couldn't. AI is all about fast productivity. Guys, that has been it for today's video. Those are some of the top AI tools that you need to be using on your daily routine. This is part 1. I have many more to come. So if you like that kind of content, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment what type of tools would you like to see, and we will make sure to get to it ASAP. Remember, this channel gives you the tools to unlock your full potential. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Alejandro. Till the next one.